How to create a Bumble account step by step. First things first, what you can do is simply launch your device's web browser or simply download the official application using your device's App Store or Google Play Store. Once you download the application itself, you simply have to go ahead and launch it. Now, within the login page, you simply have to tap on the sign up option. From there, you can use your mobile number or you can also continue with Facebook, Apple ID, or even your Google account. Once you do this, you simply have to now verify your identity using the 6-digit verification code sent to your message application via SMS. And once you enter and verify your phone number, enter your basic information, then choose your app mode, such as Bumble BFF or Bumble Date. Once you do this, you simply have to grant permissions, upload your photo, and there you go. This is how you can set up Bumble profile. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.